Greetings, my fellow AI enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of Midjourney's most powerful features, using image uploads combined with custom prompts to generate stunning visuals. If you've ever wanted to take your AI generated art to the next level by using your own images as a reference, this is the perfect tutorial for you. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's dive right in. Let's dig deep into one of the most exciting parts right here on Midjourney, uploading your own images or your image to guide the AI in Midjourney right here. Whether it's a photograph you took or a sketch you've been working on or any random photos you find on the web, Midjourney right here lets you blend these personal images with AI generated magic. So, looking at the interface right here, so you'll see this section that says choose a file, or it gives you the option to drag and drop your image. Super simple, right? You can either click and upload, or if you're like me and have a folder full of creative ideas, just drag the image right into the box section right here. Although I do have a folder of images, I can still click right there. And now let's select one of the photos right here that I haven't uploaded yet. So let's go with this one, the second image right here. Then click open. And as you can see, it's currently loaded up and it's now uploaded right here in this section right here. And it's ready to be selected for the custom prompt that you're doing. So with this is where the real fun begins. We're going to use Midjourney to bring this image, or the images right here you could select, to life with a custom prompt. Think of it like giving directions to the AI, telling it what kind of artistic twist you want to see. Now, for example, let's say we're going to upload a nice simple portrait shot. You could totally leave it as it is. But why stop there when you can transform it into something straight out of a fantasy novel? You might say, for example, here it is. There are a bunch of descriptions like an elf prince, 24 years of age, friendly looking. There are more details right here that has earrings, fantasy clothes, and there's the quality detail like there. And once you did, you can select the few images right here. So let's go with this one, this one, this one, this one, and maybe any of them. All right, here we go. And if you like, you can just, you know, tweak it a bit with the settings right here. With that, let's hit enter. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. And just like that, the AI has now completed the process based on your prompt, and boom, you got a stunning fantasy-inspired scene right here. The photo, it looks really stunning, I must say. It's like almost collaborating with an artist where you can give the AI a vision and it brings that vision to life. Pretty cool, actually. And there you have it. Uploading images and customizing prompts in Midjourney opens up endless creative possibilities. Whether you're enhancing a photo or using it as inspiration, the tools and the features are here for you to explore.